What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is Samsung yesterday put out a video announcing that they are going to announce the Galaxy Tab S6 today, July 31st, and also they're going to announce the Samsung Galaxy Active 2, a new smartwatch, on August 5th. Now they're going to announce these on their website. It hasn't happened just yet at the time of me making this video, but later today I fully expect them to put up for pre-order the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Once they do, I will put a link in this video where you can pre-order it, and I'll also do another video probably the next day just to talk about it as well. But yeah, they're going to be announcing these products on their website. They're not going to do a full product release presentation. They probably will when Unpacked comes, but it looks like these are going to be up for pre-order again July 31st for the Tab S6, their new flagship tablet, and August 5th for the Samsung Galaxy Active 2, their new flagship watch. So keep your eyes peeled, and pretty cool news. Next up, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and iPhone XR 2019 version, the newest one that's coming out, were leaked in the same exact picture. Check this out. So you can see, obviously, you're looking at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 powered by Android. You see that, but then if you look in the bottom right of the phone, the reflection is the new iPhone XR that will be out later this year of 2019. I've never seen anything like this, but very, very interesting and a very cool way to leak two different phones at once. And the last story of the day comes from Ishan Agarwal. It's a tweet saying, "Exclusive, here's your first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus Aura white color option." So yeah, it's basically plain white color, not like the Prism white. Aura Glow is fancy enough. Also sharing the render of Galaxy Note 10 Pink, which we've seen the other day. But basically, yeah, look at it, just mostly a plain white color. And it's right next to the pink one as well that we saw yesterday. His pink almost looks a little more pink than the color I showed off yesterday, I feel like. But yeah, at this point, I'd still probably go for the gray Prism more so than these two. What do you guys think? Well, that's your question of the day. Out of all the colors that have been leaked so far, which color for the Note 10 Plus would you choose thus far? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. See you guys down the road. Peace!